Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox keyboard Logitech G910 Orion Spectrum, which is the step up from the Orion Spark. They are for sale right now. Right now it's January 11, 2017, and as I saw in Canadian Logitech it goes for $229 dollars, and the Spark goes for exactly the same price. The main difference between them is the keycaps, which is this one has just usual soft and nice deep down keys, and the Spark had a bit modified, and lots of gamers was complaining about it, that it's not really comfortable to use them. Okay, let's go ahead and open this one and we'll see what's inside. What's inside was nicely packed with most of the logical items. Cable behind, really thick cable, USB 2.0. It's a large mechanical keyboard. It's mechanical but feels very soft. Movement of the buttons, I know, is 1.5 millimeters, which makes it really fast to touch. There is a volume control button. There's arrow buttons have additional, they let additional light come through. Cable itself looks pretty long. It's, I would say, about 2 meters roughly. I'm going to plug it in. First plug in, so everything lights up by default. As you can see, what I really like about it is the phone stand. At the back we have large feet. Let's get closer to the lights. You can see the light in RG900, which is transparent, which is pretty nice looking. Additional 9G keys can be programmed for the gamers, which makes it really nice. WASD looks just amazing on this keyboard. They have the same design for the arrow buttons. The numlock, caps lock, scroll lock, everything would be indicated. The media buttons are very nice. This is how it scrolls. Mute volume, these settings. Oh, that's nice. The light. It's a light button. Which is pretty neat. Keyboard itself is pretty large. It's pretty large, heavy keyboard. It's very comfortable. My arm is not big. It's rather small hand, and it rests pretty well here. So I don't think it's gonna give me tunnel syndrome too. I mean, everything lights up, even the space lights up. Everything is amazing. Let's try to put Okay. On the side down this way, so you can see through. It's like a fit. So one other difference from this Logitech G9 10 Orion Spark is the palm rest here would be larger. It goes extended up to here somewhere, and it has two replaceable rests. This one has only one. Came with only one, so I'm standing right now. It's not comfortable. I believe it's gonna be really comfortable to use it in games, particularly when you sit in front of it. Yeah, it feels pretty solid material all the way around. Now let's listen to the keys. It's a pretty nice keyboard. It's easy to get used to it. I used to have for many years the rubber buttons inside, not mechanical, so you also always have to add a little bit force in order for it to go down. This one is almost nothing. Don't feel anything. It doesn't require any force for the button to go down. Well, we'll see how it's gonna go. Gonna add additional review several months later how it lasted, because I'm gonna use it 100% of the time. So we will see how keys will work, how the lights are working, because it has each of the keys has individual light in it. So we'll see how they're gonna work. So this is G9 10 Orion Spectrum. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.